have you bitches round, bitches get you vulnerable. Chase a chicken, that's no doubt, fuck a lunchable. Slap a bitch down if I feel uncomfortable.
Looking for hoes, bitch. Hoes.
Bit less, whenever still you wrong. Grab your shorts and pop it. I know you ain't got no panties on. Leave them kids with that man. You know you the shit. It's time to pop up with your friends, yup. Now it's time to ride. Just ride.
Well, if he want my heart, playing with my coochie while he dry, we on our way to Mars. With the business sport mode, nigga, I ain't no rap. I don't do insurance for my whip. This ain't Geico. Keep my car, you want some stupid bitch, yeah. Like cute, when I'm fucking weed track, cause say he wanna put that shit apart. Bend it up, I'm from St. Louis, say he want no white. No license, I'm a
You see that Santana dance?
now he fucking with the bags. Hellcats, SRCs, nigga come pull up on me. Try to call. That's that booty me. Hey, 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 hey. Look at that booty cheek. Push my hips when I walk. Yeah, I know you like that. My nigga fucked up. Fuck my baby dad. I'm getting outside. I ain't in the house at. Oh my God, I'm finna go out. Yeah. Where the hoes at? It's looking like the drought. My mama got the kids. I'm getting at this house. All in the club, bouncing ass, showing out. Bitch, shut stop it. Looking like a snack, baby daddy. Talk up to the max. I'm the trending topic. My nigga acting up. So you know I'm about to pop it. That's that booty me. Hey, 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 hey. Look at the booty cheek. Bow, 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 bow. That's that booty me. Hey, 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 hey. Look at the booty cheek. Bow, 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 bow. That's that booty me.
Boom, you can throw it. With my friends, hella turn. It's time to see the motion. Drop the kids with the granny. It's time to lose control. Bounce that ass up and down. You see how that booty go? Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it, throw it, throw it. It's time to see the motion. Throw it, throw it. Ain't got no panties on. Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it. Bit less, whenever still you wrong. Grab your shorts and pop it. I know you ain't got no panties on. Leave them kids with that man. You know you the shit. It's time to pop up with your friends, yup. Now it's time to ride. Just ride, ride, ride. Ah. Get off them knees, get on them feet and ride, ride, ride. Ah. Want a pit ballin' nigga, show 'em you can throw it. With my friends, hella turn, it's time to see the motion. Drop the kids with the granny, it's time to lose control. Bounce that ass up and down, you see how that booty go? Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it, throw it, throw it. It's time to see the motion.
Black people need sunscreen too. I'm talking to the camera. Can you come? Bitch, I better not see a tan nowhere. Let me put some on my hand.
This shit don't prevent tan.
I don't know.
What Santana said?
I'm cute in the face. Can you show me cute like a red nose?
Whenever you're ready, of course.
All right, come on, free. This shit already come.
Big.
All right, come on. all right. No, all right, come on. Oh. I ain't gonna. I feel this bitch sticking too. Why you ain't bring me no glittery stuff? Come here. Come here.
It's my lotion.
Fuck all that. No glitter. None.
Lotion. Look, literally, it's my lotion.
Well, you should have brought me some.
Oh my God, bitch.
Well,
Damn, they went in. They probably was chunk as fuck.
You want it like a knot or you want to actually like bow?
I don't like a bow. This one is a bow, right? I did this
Yeah, right. That's good.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. I can do this.
Come on.
Come on, bro. That shit stink. Thank you.
I have to carry my purse because I got my paraphernalia. As my good sis say, you got your cannabis. Huh? You might need it. You might get. I got my purse. Damn, I know I'm gonna be thirsty. That's how I got my purse. I could carry it in my purse. Your thing. I'm just saying, bitch, I know I'll be thirsty. I know I'm gonna be thirsty. Baby, once I finish with my cannabis, baby, y'all already know there are smokers out there. Y'all know bitch be thirsty after. Thirsty as fuck. Did we take a picture?
There's police everywhere.
Girl, look at this scary ass bitch. These police don't give a fuck about that. Bitch, there's people dying. This bitch talk about something we are already rolled up. Bitch, I'm not out here selling it, bitch. Fuck. And I wrote a certain amount. Y'all know I'm a smoker for real. And I wrote a certain amount just in case. So nothing won't really happen. They'll just tell me to put it out or some shit. I ain't wrote no big joints. I wrote a certain amount, yeah. Thank you, aunts. That taught me that, yeah. Really appreciate you. I appreciate you.
Please take your parking ticket with you. You must pay before returning to your car.
What?
I left it on in the car.
Nah, bitch, I'm not walking with you. Y'all. Run, Forrest, run. Run, Forrest. And then we part way at the fucking end. Well, let me try to do a fit check with y'all then until she comes back. I can see her, y'all. I don't want y'all to think I'm a bad friend. Like, oh, you let her go by herself? I literally see her right there. We parked right there, guys. If it was that far, fucking far, I would have went. Real boss bitch. Real, you know. Already. We're gonna be back. This bitch always talking. That's all this hoe do.
Alright, bitch. You know what? I'm gonna turn my back on you. Not in the mood. This shit giving me a dumb wedgie, too. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna dig my shit out.
Oh, I'm sick of this bitch.
Nasty wedgie.
First of all, I already told this bitch I hated her. Listen, she didn't get her shit together.
And is.
You know what? Oh, I forgot. Damn, the light is like, I should have brought my light. I don't like that.
You see how she's like, that's how I'm trying to be like, But me, I got this. And I got this. So it's holding me from getting my.
You got what?
Look, when I sit, handles. But when they be fucking me though, they be holding on.
This gotta be.
They be holding on to that.
This girl gotta be the most delusional bitch I know.
What was that?
Skinny bitch is the most delusional bitches I know.
I'm not skinny, bitch.
You right.
I'm thick.
But...
THIC.
Okay. I'm so sick of this bitch.
My friends hella turn. It's time to see the motion. Drop the kids with the granny. It's time to lose control. Bounce that ass up and down. You see how that booty go? Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it, throw it, throw it. It's time to see the motion. Throw it, throw it. Ain't got no panties on. Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it. Big legs, whenever still you wrong. Grab your shorts and pop it. I know you ain't got no panties on. Lead them kids with that man. You know you the shit. It's time to pop up with your friends, yup. Now it's time to ride. Just ride, ride, ride. Get off them knees, get on them feet and ride, ride, ride. Want a big baller nigga, show him you can throw it. With my friends, hella turn, it's time to see the motion. Drop the kids with the granny, it's time to lose control.
So
Bounce
good,
that ass
sun
up and down. You see
kissed.
how that booty go? Throw it, throw it. Show me you can throw it, throw it, throw it. It's time to see the motion. Throw it, throw it. Ain't got no panties on.
What's that
Throw
gonna
it,
say?
throw it. Show me you can throw it. Come outside, bitch. We ain't gon' bite. Got my bitches ready.
Get ready.
Left my pennies at home, you know I do it best. I love a good night out, these niggas hella fresh. You know my big body bitch, like so you the best. You hear it clapping, it ain't my hands. Ass so fat, niggas spend 100 bands. When you done the board, pass them to your friends. Fuck these niggas, it was all God's plan. Now it's time to ride, just ride, ride, ride. Get off the knees,
try to find something to eat. She's saying this place Dick's is a place where they be cussing people out at. But I think she got it mixed up with some other place.
I'm pretty sure.
She said she positive.
Dick's, last resort, right? Taking my mom to Dick's.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you. That's it. Yeah, they act like
Yeah, I don't think I'm
assholes.
prepared, bitch. I might cuss them back. Bitch, throw a fry at me like you stupid.
Yeah, I mean, let me see how they menu look.
You should, bitch. I don't want to go.
You wanna go?
No.
I think they sell like stuff like barbecue burgers, stuff like that.
What's under there?
Boozy brunch.
What's a bait shack?
What's like but bait is the shit they fish with. It's just like that because we're
I'm saying, is it like a fish place or something? Bottomless mimosa. That bitch. They got bottomless mimosas.
good in you.
How do you feel about him trying to haul at you?
Dusty.
Yo, I'm over here like this. Bro, looking straight ahead, dog. Swear to God.
Straight.
Yeah, we at where you going at?
I don't know. No idea.
For three.
What's the charge for three?
$4.
$1?
$4.
$4? So 20.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll do three.
Awesome.
I want the stuffed Monday burrito, the chicken.
Chicken?
Yes, no onions.
Sorry, no onions?
Yeah, no onions.
Alright, that's good?
Yeah.
Coming right up, thank you.
So much.
What's your issue?
Huh?
What's your issue now?
So I don't feel good. I'm starving. And then the way I'm sitting down, it's like, you know when something just on your pussy?
Let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something. When this bitch is hungry or anything, everything is a problem, bitch. Everything. This bitch just talk about the chair. This bitch looking over there. Ain't nobody over there. Like, bitches is hangry.
Look at this one right here. You think she great? Oh, How the fuck you got a handicap on a heart? Don't piss me off. That don't even make sense. You feel like, fuck the smoke. Cut that shit out. What a fool.
No, bitch, they motherfucking slit, bitch. I ain't gonna lie, they got me like that one time, y'all. They came, oh, you wanna take a picture? I was thinking that's a little regular, bitch. And I was like, yeah. This talk about $20 for both. Bitch, that's a picture of me. You came to me. That's a picture of me. Like what? Nah, it just came out. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, bitch, we got the whole camera right here. Bitch, take us our picture with this camera, bitch. Snap it for us, matter of fact. That shit gonna come out looking exactly the same. A white fox?
That's a very handsome white lady.
Oh, yeah. You talking about that man behind us? Yes, I already knew, bitch. I knew you was gonna say that. I knew you was gonna say that. He is.
I'm trying to see if I can see a ring on that.
Let me see. Stop.
Not behind me. I'm talking about.
I know. Oh, look at the swaggy. Look at the baby. Look at the baby.
What kind of dog them is?
I don't know, bitch. Can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Oh, look at him. Come on. Gotta get us. What we do it, what we do it, Tim. What we do it.
The street.
Hey, you guys say the street. Y'all. Talk fast, police on my ass. What's up? Bitch, I don't give a fuck.
What the hell just happened? What just happened? Let's get it a crib reset. Fuck. What be wrong with these white folks?
Use your people.
Are these motherfuckers still around?
That's what I'm saying. The fuck? Kid, they drunk as
It's this one, like his cheeks spot red as fuck. You know he nut in 30 seconds.
Exactly.
He's definitely giving that. Nigga got
That bitch
rosacea.
gone. That bitch gone. Bitch gonna end up in the hospital.
They college kids, girl.
Fuck college kids. Bitch, we know what type of kids they is.
Ain't that shit say no alcohol on the beach?
They got a Red Bull.
That's not a fucking Red Bull, bitch. That's a High Noon. That's a sparkling,
Oh.
it's a hard sparkling water. I know because that's my drink of choice when I go out. I don't be doing liquor. Oh, that's liquor. Let's go to the crib, reset, and hang out. Let's go to the crib, reset, get some food, and hang out.
Yeah, dude. My mom's not gonna give a shit. We gonna have a party here after too. Think of some babes on the beach.
My dad's giving me the car for the night.
Fuck yeah, I want my own car. I told him I want a fucking Ferrari. He got me a Lamborghini. Like what?
Make it make sense, Dad. Make it make sense. Who the fuck are you? Who are you? Well, I'll have you know. Newsflash, buddy.
Bitch. I got news for you.
Newsflash, buddy.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm taking. Which what?
Bite them off.
No.
Want them as acrylics?
Yes.
I said he ain't getting a response until later.
Bitch.
What he said?
Those horses have a smaller cock than me.
Oh, he looking for. Oh, I always wanted to do that. Metal detecting.
What a hobby. Bitch, we the treasure. Beep, 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 beep. Yo, it's whole fucking horses.
So chest, I was rolling off
okay. What I say? 35. I knew I wasn't tripping.
I got fit now.
Damn! Look! They beat.
I got some real killers that'll kill a nigga and then gon' shoot up. Cartier wrist, Cartier watch, Cartier diamond.
Oh, you was gonna pay?
Real long, biggest King Kong.
I thought you was paying cash. No, it don't take cash, but I'll take that. Thank you.
Thank you.